Hi, I'm Carolyn with Cokesbury's VBS, here to demonstrate science projects from Knights of North Castle. This is Session 4, Experiment 1, Pencil Flips. Here are the materials you will need: an unsharpened pencil, unlined 3x5 card, tape, and markers or crayons. Start by folding your index card in half. On one side, draw the stormy sea. On the other side, draw a picture of Jesus with no background, or you can use the template in your science leader guide. Stick your pencil into the fold of the note card so that the note card sits on the pencil like a lollipop on a stick. Use tape to fasten the card to the pencil. Here's your finished results. Roll the pencil back and forth in your hand very quickly and watch the pictures. You should see Jesus standing on the stormy sea. If it doesn't work the first time, just try again. Be sure to practice, and for more information, refer to your science leader guide.